Hi, I'm Christine Cushing and welcome to another helping of My Favorite Foods special quarantine kitchen edition. This is my special series that I wanted to come up with for you to share simple recipes, feel-good recipes that are going to make the most of the ingredients we have in our kitchen today. Get ready, because today we're going to do a bit of a workout. We're going to satisfy a craving that I've had, and we're going to make the most of the ingredients that I have in my kitchen and probably that you have in your kitchen right now. It's going to be me and my wok today. Get ready for stir-fried Thai rice. Let's go. So first thing is, this is going to be a workout, but it's going to be a nice quick one. So it's going to be worth the journey to actually, by the time I make this, I'm going to be starving. I know that. So I'm going to get my wok on, get it super hot. In the meantime, I'm going to whisk 2 eggs, because those are going to be the first things going in. Just whisking them with a fork. And the key to success in the wok is to make sure that your wok is super hot before you add the oil. Okay, my eggs are whisked. So now, if you're at home thinking or knowing you don't have a wok, you can actually make this in a frying pan or a skillet. The key though is you want to use a bigger one than you think you're going to need, because this is the magic of the wok. I'm going to show you. The sides really help things not kind of stick. Ooh, I got super high heat, which is what you want. That's the beauty of the wok. Eggs going in. And right away, we're going to get some sizzle. And really for this, I just want to get a quick, almost like a quick omelet going. And this is going to top my rice. But just take it to the point where it's under what I want it to be, because it's going to continue to cook from the steam when I put it on the rice. Okay? That's that. That wasn't the workout yet. Did you think that was it? No. This is just the beginning. So I like to do that first, and then again clean my wok. The thing about anything that you're going to stir fry in a wok, you want to have all your mise en place, all your ingredients ready to go before you even start, because it's lightning fast, right? You want to have super high heat, clean wok or skillet. And this fire is great. I'm doing a little electrolysis. There's no more hair left on my arm. Just wiping the pan. Not to worry, it's all good. Okay, back on the wok. So here, I love the flavor. This recipe was inspired by a pad thai. But the idea is whatever you have in your fridge right now, you can turn it into something Thai flavored. You can go a little bit more Korean. You can go Chinese, whatever you want. I've got these beautiful Thai spices, and so that's what I'm going to use. Back with a little bit of oil, and we're going to use ground beef. It looks like a lot because when you're going close up, okay, ginger going in. I can't talk. I got to keep going. Ginger. And I'm going to chop a couple or a green onion going in. Literally, by the time you say it, it's there. Okay, now we're getting a little bit controversial. I'm going to put a few, like a half a Thai chili in here to make it a bit spicy, but you don't have to do that. And in is going to go right away my ground beef. So this is a great thing to make with any kind of protein. I had some ground beef in the fridge and thought, I want to do something different. So this fit the bill. So you can see from that heat, everything stirs. That's why it's called a stir fry. You just keep it all in motion, right? Right away, I can smell ginger, I can smell green onions. Right now, it's a bit Asian, but it hasn't come to those Thai flavors yet. So let me show you what I want to do there. So look at the wok. What I was saying, in your frying pan, you want to make sure you have a big frying pan, because the wok, you have the sides. In the frying pan, you don't want things to steam, right? See how I use the side of the wok? Because what I want to do here is evaporate that moisture. Okay? Now, are you feeling the workout yet, or what? Okay, that's looking really good. Now the next thing I'm gonna add, this is that one secret ingredient that I have in my fridge that's great. This is a Thai curry paste. It has a myriad of all these amazing ingredients, so all you need is this and you can make something Thai. It's fantastic. It's got galangal and garlic and chilies. I'm gonna put the whole thing in. Again, you can adjust this as you like. And I'm gonna keep going here, just until this flavor starts to enrobe the beef. So I was literally saying, if you've got some chicken, you can use it. Shrimp, also fantastic. It's the idea of, you know, how you would have a pad thai. Instead, we're turning it into a fried rice. Right now, crazy the smell. I can start to smell all those beautiful Thai flavors. And the hallmark of the Thai cuisine is that perfect harmony. Salty, spicy, sour, sweet, all in that perfect balance. That's where you're aiming for. I'm telling you right now, this is gonna be a winner. So I don't wanna brown that meat too much, but I wanna make sure that curry paste is nicely blended. Looking good. The other thing I'm going to add now is a little bit of dark brown sugar, because that's going to be the sweet part. It caramelizes and you get that beautiful kind of caramel note right away. So wonderful. And I'm going to contrast that a little bit later with some lime. Now, the best way to make fried rice, really the only way, is to have cooked rice. So this was leftover. I had rice yesterday. So that rice is going in. Right away, a little soy. I always use good quality, but not too much. It's gonna be too salty. This is the ingredient that knocks your socks off. I mean, literally, it smells like dirty feet. If it could even be worse than that, but it's amazing. This is fish sauce that I got from Thailand. I love this stuff. Just don't get too close to it when you're cooking with it. Okay, also going in, I had some leftover peas in my fridge. Again, talk about using what you have. Throw those in. Look at what's happening now. Are you with me? Yeah. I'm feeling the heat of those chilies. Woo! And I'm feeling that that craving will soon be satisfied. Okay, I feel like it needs a little bit of color. So what I'm gonna do now is just grate a carrot over top of that. Just because it's gonna give me some color and a bit more texture, and whatever veggies you have, go for it. That's looking good. Did I put everything in? I think so. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of like the juice of a half a lime. Again, I'm turning this off actually now because I can see that it is, I can smell that it's actually cooked. The lime balances everything in there. So let me see what's happening. Oh, yes. Look at what we got going on. Hello. Thai fried rice. The beauty here is, by the time you really can imagine making this, it's done. Look how quick that was. And the biggest challenge for me, the biggest challenge for this recipe for me is actually following my own recipe, because I've written this recipe for you. It'll be below in the description, but I tend to cook very intuitively. Stuff gets thrown in, you know, in a certain order, and I just do what kind of comes naturally. So for you, you're gonna get the full details. All right, now it's time to plate, because we're all good. Hopefully it's not gonna be too spicy for you. I say hopefully, because I'm not sure. All right, so that looks absolutely beautiful. And Thai food, again, is for sharing, so this would be family style. Look at the colors of that, how pretty they are. I wanna mound it nice and high so we get a beautiful, again, very, very simple. I'm gonna put in some of these beautiful, the egg that I stir-fried in there. just on top. And then from the residual heat, I'm just chopping it up because I don't want to mess up my beautiful plan here. Just there. I don't want to shred it all the way through. And now wait, we want to have all those beautiful Thai garnishes. So this is what I do oftentimes if I want to add a little punch to something. I've got green onions and some carrots. And when I put them in a little ice bath, they kind of curl up. So you get this great little garnish happening that looks a little bit more fun than just pieces of them. A little bit of that, a little bit of this. Then I'm going to go in with a touch of coriander, which again you don't have to. A little bit of coriander on top. And must, to me, must have peanuts. Peanuts are the Thai. When I'm eating something Thai, it's all about the peanuts. And the coconut, but this one doesn't have any coconut. Going in with a little of that. Can I tell you how this smells right now? I'm going to cut a lime in half because I want to serve that with a beautiful wedge of lime. Come on. What do you say about that in less than 10 minutes? Hopefully I didn't get overzealous with those chilies. But it smells so fragrant, and it really, if I close my eyes, it smells like pad thai. Oh, is that good? That is a bullseye. I taste everything in perfect balance. Whoa. And the ground beef is actually fantastic. I've never made it with the ground beef before. I've made it with beef slices. I made it with chicken thighs. You can put tofu in here, shrimp. Come on. This can be something you can make in 10 minutes flat. If you have a little bit of leftover rice, put anything you want in it. Thank you so much for joining me on the special quarantine kitchen edition of My Favorite Foods. Please stay well. Let's work this through together. I'm posting a lot more videos, so give me a thumbs up, share, let me know what's happening in your kitchen. I'm here for you, and I want to know how you're cooking these days, because I know everybody on the planet is cooking gangbusters. So thank you. I'm going to take off my running shoes now that I have my little workout and sit down and have this beautiful Thai fried rice.